Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Gloves on. Let's go then.
Yeah. A little bit of a crowd coming, so be careful.
Yeah. Right, you Rob? 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 Yeah, what happened there?
I get a 360 degree spin.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Okay, let's carry on.
Not quite the same.
We've lost the speed, we needed to carry our speed, but we'll go. Alright. You with me?
Yeah.
How's that for a playground? Stop it. There's a lift down there,
Yeah.
but I've got a feeling we're straight on, won't we?
Right, how do I find out?
I have no idea, this might be a sign, let's just come down to this, might be a sign.
Okay.
No sign. We'll just carry on across, I think.
Okay.
There's a banner in the middle here, so keep out.
Right there, look.
Yeah. Oh, there.
What was the one number? 88, 89 or something?
Yeah. Okay. Right, big dip.
Okay.
Okay, stop it. There's a lift below us, which I think is the one we want.
Yeah.
We'll go down and find it.
As well, is there?
Say again?
Is there a coffee shop here as well? Or?
No, just a lift. We'll get this lift, there'll be one at the top.
Yeah.
I think this is the one, we'll have to just wing it.
Right.
Not 100%, but we'll see.
Sorry?